This holiday season, go the extra mile and bring your displays together beautifully with this remote-controlled outdoor power outlet yard stake with built-in Photocell timer from PLT. Designed to blend in seamlessly with your lawn and greenery, this 6-outlet power stake allows you to power up to 1,875 watts of lights. You can say goodbye to bulky extension cords covering your yard. This yard stake is easy to install and sets up in a matter of minutes. First, install the stake into the ground and connect it to an outlet using the power cord. Next, open the waterproof covers and plug in your lights. Finally, use the buttons on the Photocell timer to choose either dusk-to-dawn operation or preset on-off times. The timer can also be controlled with the included remote control, allowing you to easily adjust on-off times from the comfort and warmth of your home. Find these and other high-quality Christmas decorations by calling 855-948-5079 or shopping at 1000bulbs.com.